Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrack, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make 15,000 naira pay each investment strategy you implement using Binance. Okay, for those of you that don't know what is Binance, Binance is one of the topmost exchange in the world. So this video is precisely for Nigerian audience, and if you are new to the channel, this is Trade Profit. What I do here on Trade Profit is I look at the strategy that work for me, and I come here to share my view on that. So, and this video is a practical based video, and you have to do it practical to be able to get that amount of money I said on the video, which is making 15,000 naira pay each investment return. Now, Binance has grown to be one of the topmost exchange in the world. As a matter of fact, Binance has taken over the top exchange in the whole world, and I use Binance to trade almost every day. But today, I'm specifically talking about how you can stock in or stake in your dollar to allow you to yield on Binance. If you are new to Binance, please use my link in the description of this video to sign up on Binance to get started. Okay. Now, when you sign up as a Nigerian, if you click on the under your account, once you have signed up and verify your account, and then click on funding. When you click on funding, then choose buy USD, you'll be directed here. And in this place, you will see that the current rate of USD is 859 per dollar. Okay. Now, our target to make 15,000 naira is to buy 85,000 naira worth of USD. Estimate have it that before the end of this year, which is December, I'm actually making this record on November. 1 USD on Binance will be equals to almost 1,000 naira. So it is estimated to worth 1,000 per USD. And that estimate is correct. You know why? Because I've been in this trading for a long time. I know and remember vividly a year back, 1 USD is equals to 450 naira on Binance. So taking action by buying and keeping USD, we make the money to appreciate in value, even without you doing any kind of form of trading on its own. Now, if you buy USD, for instance, 100 USD, we give you roughly 85,000. Okay, for you to purchase 100 USD, and you keep 100 USD at the end of December, and the USD, 1 USD rose for like 100, what's it called, 1,000 per USD. It means that your 85,000, which is 100 worth of dollar, must have increased to 100,000 naira. And if you remove your capital, which is 85,000, you'll be left with 15,000. Then imagine if you have like 500,000 on your account. That means you'll be making 75,000 naira extra from your 500,000 just in a couple of, maybe like in a 30 days from now, or maybe in 2 months, that's 60 days from now. So this is the passive income strategy. And if you are new to the Binance or trading, I made a video specifically how to buy USD on Binance. So you can see the video here. You can search it on Trade Profit to actually go through the video. So I made this video, which you can see it, and you can see it on the screen, what is displaying on the screen now at the end of this video. So watch and follow the instructions on how to buy USD on Binance. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrack. I'm going to see you in the next video.